How to delete a Spotify account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can delete your Spotify account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Spotify account, we're going to go ahead and launch the Spotify app first. And as we launch the Spotify app, you want to make sure to log into your account, and after you log in, tap on the gear icon or the settings cog icon, which is located on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the gear icon and come to your settings page, you'll see this kind of options, but we're going to scroll down a little bit until we get to the option that says support. So just go ahead and find the option called support, which usually is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on support, over here will basically be taken to, of course, the help center or the support center of Spotify. And in order to delete our account, in the search box you just have to type in the option that says delete account or anything such as closing account or anything. Just search for the delete account keyword, and as you can see the search result that says closing your account, just tap on it. As you open up the closing your account article from Spotify themselves, here you have two options. One is if you have got premium account, and one is if you don't have premium. So if you have a premium account, then you could tap on close your account button over here, and first you have to cancel your membership and everything in order to delete your account. But if you don't have a premium account just like me, then you can tap on the option that says close your account on the don't have premium option, and as you do so, it will ask you for a confirmation as to why you're leaving Spotify. It'll ask you to confirm the password. It might also actually ask you to go ahead and then confirm your email address and so on in order to close your Spotify account. And that's all it takes to delete your Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.